I stopped by Harbor Freight today, picked up a couple things. There's one kit in particular that I wanted to pick up because it was kind of a deal, and just ended up picking up a couple other things. First we got this 1/4 inch low profile ratchet. I don't have any my other ones just are like flex heads and whatnot, and they swivel, so nice to have that. That was only $11.99. It's normally $16.99. Get the promotion 25% off, which took off a couple items. Which brings me to my next item, which is the 1/2 inch flex head. So I don't know how long this is, but it's 18 inches long. Definitely get some good leverage with this. Don't have a 1/2 inch that long, especially with a flex head. That's nice. Got that for $23.99. It's normally like what, $31.99. Then I picked up a couple of bottles of brake cleaner. Those are only $3.99. And next up, I picked up the Hercules 1/4 inch impact wrench. This is the tool only, but if you get the entire kit with the charger and a 2.0 battery, you get $25 off. So normally this is like $24.99. This was $29.99, and this was $49.99. And for everything with the discount, it was $80, $85 out the door, which is not bad. You know, I wanted to pick up the Milwaukee, but they want $180 alone for just a bare tool. So I just figured I'd break this one, or try this one out. It's got the 900 inch-pounds, and yeah. Let's open this up. So I got it all unboxed. The charger here, it's a dual charger for their 20 volt and 12 volt platforms. I guess they consider this a fast charger. Guess we'll see how long it takes to charge this battery, because right now, comes with 2 bars. It's nice that it has the battery indicator on it, and it's just a single speed. There's no mode selection on it or whatnot, but it is a variable trigger. Feels good in the hand. It is a brushed motor. It also came with a clip, but never used the clips on my impact wrenches. But so far, so good, I guess, until I actually use it. Does have the hog ring. Sockets fit on there pretty snug. Yeah, not too bad. So I just wanted to give this a little test. It says it's got, what, 900 inch-pounds. It's like 70 or 75 foot-pounds. I'm gonna try it on this lug nut, but I do have an adapter on it. So 1/4 inch to 3/8. And I know it's going to have some kind of power loss, but I just wanted to see what it'll do. So to make up for that, I'm just going to set it to 60 foot-pounds. Not sure if you can see that. And just try it out. It's actually on 1 bar. Took a little bit, but it did it. Even with, like I said, a low battery. But definitely a little more confident that this will be really nice and work out really well. Hold on, Mo. Yeah, so that was just a little quick test.